So they're asking us solve the equation exactly for x. Exactly for x means no calculator. So no calculator, and we need to apply any properties of log on this. And the good thing is we have base 10 for all of them because you don't see any base, so all of them are invisible 10. We have 2 log here, and this addition. The property that we know, we have log of a plus log of b. We can write this one log of a multiplied by b. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to write log x to power 3 multiplied by x to the power of 4 divided by log of 1000 x equal to 4. So now this x to power 3 multiplied by x to power 4, I can simplify it x to power 7. Correct? I write one of the base and add the exponent. So it will be log of x to the power of 7 divided by log of 1000, which is 10 to the power of 3 multiplied by x equal to 4. So now I'm gonna, this 7 gonna come over here. I'm gonna have 7 log of x over, here's a multiplication. I'm going to do the same formula. If you have multiplication, we can rewrite it in addition. So I'm going to write log of 10 to power of 3 plus log of x equal to 4. Why did I do that? Because I want to simplify this 10 to power 3. Because the 3 will come over here, and we're going to have 3 log of 10, which is only 3. So we're going to be 3 log of 10, and log of 10 is 1, so only 3 will go on this place. We're going to have 7 log of x over 3 plus log of x equal to 4. So we didn't do any algebraically mistake. Now I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply this by here. We have 7 log of x equal to 4 parenthesis 3 plus log of x. Now I'm going to distribute this. I'm going to have 7 log of x equal to 12 plus 4 log of x. I'm going to move this over here and erase this formula. So we have 7 log x equal to 12 plus 4 log x. I'm going to have log x to one side, so I'm going to subtract. I'm going to subtract 4 log of x and negative 4 log x. So I'm going to get 3 log of x equal to 12. I'm going to divide it by 3, which gives me 4. So log of x equal to 4. How do we solve for x? Anytime we have a single log, we make it to exponential. The formula was log of a base b equal to c, then a equal to b to power of c. This is both direction. So x equal to 10 to the power of 4. And we are done. All right, let's have the second question. So this is another good question. This is all algebra. We have we have u as log of 2. So anywhere you see log of 2, you can substitute u. If you see log of 3, we substitute v. All right. So log of 6. So we don't use the calculator. It's the exact value in terms of u and v. Log of 6, this is same as log of, instead of 6, I can put 2 multiplied by 3. So I use 2 and 3 because we have u and v. I didn't say 12 equal to 12, 6 equal to 12 divided by 2. There are so many different ways we can get 6, but I use 2 and 3 because we have some information. So this is a multiplication. We write it in addition. Your favorite formula. Log A plus log B equal to log of A multiplied by B. So now instead of log of 2, I can put u instead of log of 3. So plus is here. Instead of log of 3, I put v, and we are done. So not bad. Now log of 0.08. All right. This is same as, so log 8 over 100 gives you 0.08. This is same as log of 8 minus log of 100. Log of 8, this is same as, instead of 8, I can put 2 to the power of 3 minus log of 10 squared. 100 is 10 squared. So this 3 going to come over here. We're going to have 3 log of 2 minus this 2 going to come over here. We have 2 log of 10 equal to log of 2. They said the answer is u. So 3 times u minus 2, and log of 10 is 1, so it's going to be this. So far, so good. So far, so good. So we solve this. Now log of radical 2 over 3. So we have 2 and 3, and we have 2 and 3. So this should be easier than the previous one. So radical, I'm going to make it to exponent. Log of 2 over 3 to power 1/2. This equal to 1/2 log of 2 over 3. This equal to 1/2. So log of 2 over 3, if we have minus, we have division, correct? If you have log of A minus log of B, the answer is log of A over B. So bracket, this is going to be log of 2 minus log of 3. This is equal to 1/2 parenthesis u minus v. Or you can say 1/2 u minus 1/2 v. Log of 5. So how can we get 5 from 2 and 3? We know 5 is 2 plus 3, but we don't have any formula for, we don't have a formula for log of a plus b. We have log of a plus log of b, but we don't, inside of the parenthesis, we don't have addition. We have only multiplication and division. So what I'm going to do, instead of 5, I'm going to write log 10 divided by 2 equal to. So now I'm going to say log of 10 minus log of 2. Log of 10 is 1. Log of 2 is u, so it's 1 minus u. Done. So this is the algebra. Probably this, it might take 45 or a couple hours to solve it, but it's all like a puzzle. Let's go over the last homework question. Oops. All right, limit. So there, you don't see a limit here, but when they say this, that means x approaches infinity, where this will go. This is exactly the same as limit of 10 to power of negative x. when x approaches infinity. And what is the value? 10 to power negative x is same as limit of 1 over 10 to power of x. As x approaches infinity, this value is going to be huge. For example, when x equal to 5, we're going to have 1 over 10 to power of 5, which is 1 over 100,000. If you use a calculator, you know you're gonna go to 0. If you put, instead of 5, you put like a 50, then we're gonna have so many zeros here, then 1 over big number, the answer gonna be approaching 0. Another way is graphing. You can just graph this. This is a log, so now they're asking us what is limit of log of x when x goes to 0 plus. So this plus, so if we graph log of x, the graph, something like that. That's a graph of log of x. They're saying x goes, so limit of log of x when x goes to 0 plus. Here is 0. We have two ways to go to 0. One of them is from left to right, go to 0. Another one from right to left. So which way we should get to the 0, they usually tells us by plus or minus. When it's plus, that means they're asking us go to 0 from left to right, to the positive direction. So if you go this way, you see the graph takes you to negative infinity. So the answer will be negative infinity. So let's have another example of plus and minus. Let's say we have a graph, and the graph happens to be something like that. So this is 5. This is f of x. My question is, what is limit of f of x when x goes to 5? If I ask you guys like this, x approaches to 5, so this is a wrong question, because this is, here's 5. I have to tell you, should you go from this direction to 5 or that direction? If I ask you to go to minus, that means you're going to go this way. For example, you're going to be on the scooter and you're going this way. When you're hitting the graph, you want to go to 5, but the graph will take you to negative infinity. So the answer is negative infinity. But the same question, if I ask you guys what is the limit of f of x when x goes to 5 plus, that means you're going to go this direction, you're going to get to 5, but the graph will take you to positive infinity. So this will be positive infinity. So this plus and minus only tells you the direction of the graph.